Good evening. Today is the 8th of August 2022. I wish to talk about to solve the copyright claim in YouTube. Now, these are my YouTube videos, and I don't like the restrictions to the copyright claim. So, I'm now opening the YouTube studio. Then I open this, details, and then I go to the copyright claims. Then see details. Then I have select action. You can either replace the song, mute the song, or you make an argument about the copyright thing. Here I would replace the song. Replace the song, that you must select the things that you wish to replace. And you must find a song that is provided by YouTube, and this is without copyright with a suitable link. And I already found that the code of speculation, something called a speculation. Sex speculation, I found that the length 335 is around that, so I would take this one after that. Then sexual speculation, and the length not enough. That's okay. Yeah, that's just somewhere here. Okay, and this one, I can remove it. No, you can't remove, but I think we can just replace it, and we do. And set speculation, yes, and then save it. Then it would wait for a certain time, but normally it's okay. And I found that in one of the videos that I got using this method, I have the soundtrack successfully replaced with the one now provided by YouTube without any copyright. Okay, thank you. And if you're interested, you can visit my video on my pre-pandemic moments of Macau, and you will get the music. That no longer that's one with copyright, but with the one that now without copyright. Okay, this method should work, but I can't wait for such a long time for the action, but I guarantee that it work. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you, bye.